Guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new, then welcome to this channel. Well, I'm back with one more interesting Python project. It's all about Pokedex, where it's really an interesting project, especially to the people who are building this project, because we are going to build an interesting API using a dictionary of data, and we are going to represent everything from that particular dictionary, and we are going to represent everything. And the project name is actually Pokedex, where you'll show all the Pokemons, their properties and their statuses and their skill. And we are going to get this data by creating a dictionary. I'm going to create a dictionary, and from that dictionary we are going to access each and everything. We are going to access images, we are going to access names, their properties, their skills, their statuses, everything. And we are going to show the list of Pokemons here, which is really interesting. Here we have Pikachu, Bulbasaur, Charmander, Gyarados, Ginger, Dragonite. And I'm super excited to share this thing with you. And with this project we will learn how to design a good API and how to organize everything, how to organize the things that we have, and how to make it look cute and neat to the people. And we are actually going to experience good things with this project. We are going to make it a bit more interesting. We are going to learn many interesting stuff, and with this you will definitely feel comfortable with the Tkinter. The way we use is really interesting. The reason that I choose this thing is because actually while I'm going through some stuff, I went through this interesting project which is all about Pokedex. But the thing is, it's actually in web version. So I got an idea, why can't we make it as a Tkinter version? Like, why can't we build an application using this Pokedex, and it looks something like this. Let me show you. So actually this is web version, and it is in actually Portuguese language. So when I'm going through this thing, I got an idea, so why can't we make something like this? But we are going to do this in Python. This is actually web version. So instead of doing this in web version, let's try to organize it in Python. And in Python we are going to use Tkinter, and this is how it exactly looks with Tkinter. And yeah, don't expect too much from this Tkinter. This is basic thing, so we can make it to look good as much as we can. But once you build a basic version, you can make it optimized and you can make it look more like a better than before, right? So don't expect too much from this Tkinter, because this is just, it has some basic requirements based upon its properties, based upon the requirements that it have. We are going to build this project, though it looks so cute with this Tkinter though. So if you click on Pikachu, you'll see Pikachu. You are going to see the property of it, the skill, and you're going to see the status and other extra skills that it have. If you click on this, you are going to see its properties. You are going to see this one, yeah. This is really interesting. Just for a change, I'm building this project, and I think you guys will definitely enjoy this video. And yeah, let's get started. If you want the images, I'll share the link of this thing in the description. Just go to the source and yeah, try to download these images that it have. I'll share the link in the description. So yeah, if you observe here, I already imported the Tkinter modules, and here we are going to use these basic colors, black, white, blue, and ash. We are going to create a dictionary, and we are going to access these colors from that particular dictionary. I'll show you soon, but for now just see that here we have a window, and I gave the size of width 550 and height of 510. And it looks something like this. So just don't forget to give resizable width and height as false. If not, it will make a mess. And just give window.configure background color as white. And if you run this one, the window looks something like this. Let's make it colorful. So first, let's create a TDK separator. So just give TDK does separator. We need this in window. And just give orient, we need a horizontal one. And just give dot grid. And we are going to place this in row 0. And just give column span equal to 1. And just give IPADX 272. And yeah, now we have a separator. Yeah, we need a separator, something like this. Okay, now it's time to work on a frame. And that frame width will be 500 and we need a height of 305. Okay, just give main frame here. And frame, we are going to create a frame and we need this in window. And just give width, as I said before, we need a width of 500, height 305. So yeah, let's place this thing using grid. So just give mainframe.grid. Row value will be 0. Column value will be 0. Just give pad x equal to 1 and pad y equal to 1. And yeah, and just give background color as color 2. So yeah, we need a frame something like this. Don't worry, we are not going to use this color anyway. Okay, now we have a frame, a main frame. In this main frame, we are going to load the image of the Pokemon. We are going to give the name. We are going to give the type of the Pokemon. And we are going to give the property. And we are going to give also the number of that particular Pokemon. So first we need name, type, and number, and image. So let's work on this one. So just give Pokemon name equal to label, and we need this in mainframe. So just give mainframe and just give anchor equal to center, and also give font. Just give id and the size will be 20 and we need it to be bold. Alright, and just give foreground color as color 0. Okay, and now it's time to place it. Dot place. Just give x value 15 and y value 15. And here you are not going to see anything, so just give text equal to Pokemon name, something like that. Just for demo, we are going to change that soon. And if you rerun it, if you see here we have a cool, interesting Pokemon name. Don't worry, we'll change it. We'll change its background color, we change its foreground color, something like this. Okay, let it be like this for now. Now, it's time to work on Pokemon type. Just give Pokemon type equal to, just copy the same thing here which is in label. Paste it. We need this in mainframe, and instead of Pokemon name, we'll give type. Anchor will be center, and this time font will be Vardhana. Let's decrease its size to 10, and yeah, let's place this thing. Dot place, and just give x value 20. Here the x value is 15, right? Just give 5 pixels away from it, and y value will be 15. And just rerun it. Here you're not going to see anything, so just give background color, foreground color as black, which is color 0. Yeah. Don't worry, we are going to work on this background color soon. For now, just focus on the labels that we are creating. This is Pokemon name, and here we are going to get Pokemon type. And we also need Pokemon number, right? Pokemon number equal to, copy this entire thing. Just give label, we need this in this time this will be Pokemon number. Alright, and this time this will be Vardana 13 bold, and just place this thing Pokemon number. This time X value will be 20 itself, but Y value will be 75, 25 pixels away. Yeah, and here we have Pokemon number and Pokemon name, type, and number. Alright. Now we have to load image, and we have to load these things as well. So for images, first let's work on one Pokemon image, and then you will understand how to load all images dynamically. So for that, just create a variable called image Pokemon, or just give Pokemon image. And just create, and we are going to load one Pokemon image, and that Pokemon image, so I got those images from here. So here you can see we have Bulbasaur and its head, Charmander head. Like, I just have the actual images and their heads so that I can use something like this. Here we are going to load the entire image, but here user can see just the heads of that particular Pokemons. Like if I click on here you can see just the head of the Bulbasaur, but if you click on it, you can see the entire image, something like that. So I have the images of the actual Pokemons, entire images, full images, and I also have the images of their heads so that I can use them like this. So we are going to load these images and we are going to use them. So I got these images from that Git itself, so I just used it. And yeah, even you can download these images from that particular source. I'll share the link in the description. Just go there and tap there and download those files and use it for a project. In every project, I used to use Pillow module for loading image. I hope you guys know how to use Pillow module and how to open and load that particular image and resize that image. If you still didn't know about Pillow module, if you still didn't build any projects and this is your first project, also go through the all other projects which is there in this Python projects playlist. I'm going to share the link in the description, and yeah, just go there and go through all interesting basic projects using Tkinter. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from there. And here I'm going to use Pillow module. So just give image.open. But before that, we have to import Pillow, right? Let me clear this thing. I don't know why, but VS Code is importing the extra modules also by itself. So just give from pil import image and image tk. And yeah, we are going to use these two modules from Pillow. So just give Pokemon image dot open. First we need Pikachu, right? And this is actually in images. So just give, so we need this image to get loaded, right? So just give image dot open images. Inside images we have Pikachu. Just be careful with the spellings of these Pokemons, and just give PNG here because these images are all PNGs. Now we open that image. We did nothing, we just opened, and now let's resize it. Just give Pokemon image equal to Pokemon image dot resize. Just give it 260 and height 260, and just give image tk dot photo image. We are going to load that image, Pokemon image. Open, resize it and load it. Now we are going to place this. So for that, just give label of icon 1 equal to label we need this in window and just give image equal to Pokemon image. Just give background color as color 1 for now. Let's place this thing. So icon 1 dot place x value 60 and y value 50. Now let's see. Okay, we need something like this. But the thing is, here if you observe, this Pokemon image didn't have any background color. This is just a basic image with white background. And this white background is a bit, disgusting because it's actually covering the Pokemon name, Pokemon number, Pokemon type, right? Don't worry, we are going to work on this thing soon because while we are changing this background color, we will get this Pokemon name, Pokemon type and number to the front of this image. We are going to use lift function and I'll let you know how to do that soon. Now let's work on statuses and skills. So first let's work on status. So just give status here. So this will be the Pokemon status. So just give Pokemon status and just give label. And we need this in window. And just give text equal to status. And just give font equal to Verdana. And just give 20. We don't need bold. Just give background color as color 1 and foreground color as color 0. And yeah, let's place this thing. So just give Pokemon status dot place. Just give x value 15 and y value is 310 somewhere at the bottom. If you rerun this one, yeah, here we have status and just change this background color of this, mainframe. Just don't give any color for now. And just give background color white, which is color 1. You should run this one. Yeah, we need a background color, something like this. Don't worry, we are going to work on them soon. For now, just focus on the down part, which is status. And we need HP, attack, defense, speed, and total. We need status, and we need these things. So let's create labels for all of these things. So just give Pokemon HP. We are going to do the same thing, so just copy this thing. We need this in window itself. Instead of status, we need HP. That's actually maybe, for example, 100. And this time, the font size will be 10. And the background color is as usual. Foreground color, let's give black itself. And just place this thing. Just give x value 20 and y value 360. Yeah, here we have an interesting thing. Okay, don't worry, this is actually the blue color. Okay, we'll use the blue itself, and or you can just use ash if you want. Okay, let's go with blue for now. And now let's work on attack, right? Just give poke. Just copy this entire thing. Just give attack here. Attack 300. Just for a demo, this is just for a demo. Attack 300 and X value will be 20 itself, but Y value will be 410. Just give 50, 50, 50 distance. That's it. X value will be same and Y value will be 385. I played with these numbers. Even you guys can play with it if you don't feel good. Okay, now we have attack. And it's time to work on defense. Just copy this entire thing. Defense. This will be 500. This is the dummy data, guys. This is not the exact data. We are going to create a file, a data file, and we are going to access it. And that's actually a dictionary. I'll tell you soon how to do that. And just give X value will be 20 and just give Y value will be 410. This is actually C. Defense. 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 Okay. Now let's work on speed. This will be speed. And this will be speed. And this will be speed. Just give speed, for example, 100. And let's place this thing and just give 435. Yeah, here we have speed. Now we need a label for total. Just copy this thing. Total. And this will be total. Just give 100 and give bold. This time Y value will be 460. Yeah, we need something like this. And now it's time to work on scales. Okay. Okay. Just copy the same thing, but instead of this, just give scale, and here this will be scale, and this will be 20 because this is actually heading. And let's place this thing. This time X value will be 180 and Y value will be 310, which is same as the status heading. This one. And just give yeah, but instead of scale, let's give skills. Now we need these two properties of the Pokemon. So just give Pokemon HB1 the first property and just create the same thing. But instead of this thing, we'll keep, for example, thunder or water jet, whatever. And this time this will not be bold, this will be 10. And yeah, just place this thing. Dot place, x value will be 195 and y value will be 360. And yeah, we also need one more property, so just copy the same thing. And this will be 2. This will be 2. And yeah, this time just give hydro pump. And just place the values of x and y. The only difference is this will be 385. Yeah. Just for demo, imagine that we loaded the name, image, everything. And now it's time to work on these images and these labels. So yeah, let's work on these things then. Just give all Pokemons and it's time to work on them. First, let's work on this Pikachu head, which is this one. So first let's load this image, okay? So for that, just give image Pokemon or 1. First Pokemon image, something like that, and just give image the open and just give inside images we have Pikachu head dot png. Okay, and once we have this thing, it's time to resize, so just give image Pokemon 1 equal to image dot resize and just give 40 width and 40 height and load this thing. So just give image 1 equal to image tk dot photo image and we need this image 1. So just give icon 1 equal to, that's actually button, because when you're clicking on the button it is actually changing the things for us. So this is actually a button. So we need a button and we need this in window and just give text equal to Pikachu and width let's give 150 and we are going to load that image. So image equal to image 1 and just give pad x equal to 5. Just give compound equal to left and since it's a button, just give over relief equal to ridge and yeah, also give anchor equal to northwest and font let's give Verdana 12, background color and foreground color. Yeah, let's place this one. Icon1 dot place x value 375, which is somewhere completely left, completely right, and y value 10. Yeah, we need something like this. Looking good. We are going to do the same thing for all heads, all Pikachu, Bulbasaur, Charmander, those stuff. Just copy this thing. Just copy this entire thing. Paste it here. This time this will be 2. This will be 2, and this will be 2. This will be 2, and this will be 2, and this will be 2. And here, instead of Pikachu, we need Bulbasaur. So Bulbasaur head.png, and yeah, this will be Bulbasaur, and just change the value of x and y. Here x value will be same 375, but y value will be, let's try giving 65. Yeah, let's see. And yeah, we have Pikachu, we have Bulbasaur. Okay, let's do the same thing, loading all the images, and let me load all of them for you. And yeah, if you see here, I actually created all these buttons: Pikachu, Bulbasaur, Charmander, Gyarados, Ginger, and Dragonite. And I gave, let me tell you the place values, because so that you guys cannot get confused while building this with me, because I didn't showed you how to place it. So let me explain you the code. So here we loaded image 1, and here in icon 1 we gave x value 375 and y value 10, right? And we are going to change the y value. Okay, here I gave y value 10, and here I gave y value 65. Just follow the difference. And this is actually the second image, and here the y value is 120, and this is third image, and y value 175, 230, and 385. The x value is same because we are going to place the button in the same x axis, but the thing is we have to change this difference, right? So Pikachu, Bulbasaur, Charmander, Gyarados, Ginger, and Dragonite. And now it's time to work on these buttons, and at the same time we are going to work on these images. Like if you click on Pikachu, it have to show the Pikachu. If you click on Bulbasaur, it have to show the Bulbasaur. If you click on Charmander, it have to show the Charmander. Ginger, it have to show the Ginger. Dragonite, it have to show the Dragonite. Gyarados, it have to show the Gyarados. And at the same time, it also have to change the status and skills. Alright, if you close this application and if you rerun this one, it have to show the default image, and that must be Pikachu because that's the first one that we have. So here after Mainframe, let's create a function called choose Pokemon. So just give choose Pokemon because we are choosing Pokemon while clicking that button. So just send I as parameter. I'll let you know why. Let us create two global variables. One is for the image and one is for the name. Okay. So just give global, and one is for this label, icon1 label, icon1 this one, which is actually the Pikachu by default, and just give the image Pokemon, or just give Pokemon image. We need two things, one is the image and one is that label. Okay, these two things. We are going to create two global variables. One is Pokemon image and one is the icon. Whenever user clicks on this thing, it have to change the background color as well. Like if you see, if I clicked on Bulbasaur, it is giving a relevant color that suits Bulbasaur. If you click on Charmander, it is changing the background color. If you click on Gyarados, it is giving a cool, interesting blue color. Ginger, some color. Dragonite, some color. So we are going to get these colors by creating a dictionary. So in order to work on these things first, let us create a file called data.py. Not inside the images. Close this thing. And here data.py, and here we are going to create a dictionary. So here in this data.py we are going to create a dictionary, and inside from this dictionary we are going to access all the names, images, status, skills, everything. Like when the user clicks on this one, it have to load the status of Pikachu, HP, attack, defense, everything about Pikachu, and also everything. Like these every details including the image we are going to load using this data.py, using this dictionary. It's like accessing a JSON data where the JSON data also will be in the form of dictionary. And when we are working on web application, if we are building something like a web version of it, there we'll use JSON, right? Here I'm gonna create a manual dictionary, and from there I'm gonna access the image, the skills, the status, the type, and everything. So first we have to organize this stuff first, then we can access from that particular dictionary. Okay, first let me create a dictionary called Pokemon, and inside this we are going to create a key value pair. Let me show you how. First we'll be having a dictionary. The first key will be Pikachu because we need a Pokemon Pikachu, and if the user clicks on Pikachu, it have to load the status, the skills, the type, other extra stuff. Okay, so first let me create a status. Let me give this thing here, and first we need status, like dictionary inside dictionary. And if you click on Pikachu, it will load the status. So just give status and just give inside this thing, we are going to create a list and just give HP 300. This also HP 300 and attack 600. And defense 500 and speed 300 and total 1.700. Okay. This is all about status, and just give comma here. Now let's work on skills. Just give comma here, and now we need skills. So just give skills. This is again one more list. Okay. And we need Thunder Shock and Headbutt. This is the properties of Pikachu. Okay, now we need type. So just give type here. Create one more list, and the number is #25. and it is actually electric. Okay, and once we are done, we'll give others. Here we are going to load the image, and this is Pikachu.png. From here we are going to get the image, and we'll give a relevant background color. Yeah, in the same way we are going to create for Bulbasaur, Charmander, Gyarados, and Ginger. For now I'm just skipping this thing. I will share this code in the blog, and the link of this code, entire code, will be in the description. You can just go there and copy this code and you can access everything from there. Okay, so in this way we just created everything. Like, this is a Pikachu. Inside this we have a dictionary, and inside this dictionary we have list for status, skills, type, and others. And similarly we have this for Bulbasaur, Charmander, Gyarados, Ginger, and Dragonite. Okay, so once we are done with this thing, we are going to access the stuff from here. So yeah, this is all about, data.py. Here I just created a variable and I just created a dictionary where you guys can see this is the key, and inside values also we have a bunch of values, and that's also in the form of dictionary. And inside this dictionary, this status, skills, type, others acts as keys, and these things are the properties, and these properties we kept in the form of a list. If you see, status shows in the form of list, skills we have a list, type we have a list, others is nothing but the image of that Pikachu, and the background color, which we are going to access from here. And this thing will share us the relevant background color and the image related to that thing. Like for Pikachu, the background color is yellow, right? And for Bulbasaur, the background color is green, something like that. So whenever you're calling that, loading that image, it will also change that background color. We are going to write code in such a way that it will change the background color whenever you're changing the image, and that thing happens when you click on the button that we have, like this. Like if you click on Pikachu, it will load the Pikachu image and it will change the background color. If you click on Bulbasaur, it will load the Bulbasaur image and it will change the background color. And yeah, we will do this thing in the form of code, and for that we have to work on a function, and that is all about logical part. In the next video, I'm gonna explain you all of these stuff, the logical part, everything. And one more thing is we are going to make these things, come front, and this image will go back so that, it will not disturb the design. So yeah, in the next video, in the next part, I'm gonna teach you how to work on this logical part of the thing, and how to access this dictionary, Pokemon dictionary, and how to load each and everything. I'll let you know soon in the next video. So up to now, we just worked on the designing part. In the next video, we'll work on the logical part. That's not exactly a logic, but the thing is we're just changing according to the, the API that we have. So if you like the video, then hit that like button. If you are new to this channel, if you still didn't subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? Just go there and tap the red button so that you guys never miss an interesting updates from us. And yeah, see you in the next video.